श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम्। शुक्लां भरं विष्णुं श्रीवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। वागीशाद्यासमनसः सर्वार्थानां उपक्रमेण नत्वा कृतकृत्या स्यूतं नमामि गजाननं। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुसाक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। यो नित्यमच्युतपदाम्बुजे गुरुर्व्यामोहतस्तदितराणि तृणानि मेने अस्मद्गुरोः भगवतोऽस्य दैहिकसिन्धोः रामानुजस्य चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये। यस्य स्मरणमात्रेण द्वैतवासना प्रमुच्यते बोधात्मकाय नमस्तस्मै भगवते श्रीरमणमहर्षये हृदाकाशे सदा भान्तं शान्तमानन्दरूपिणं ज्ञानभानुमहं वन्दे सद्गुरुं श्रीसत्यसायिनम्। दौर्गर्युक्ता चतुर्विस्फटिकमणिमयीमक्षमालां ददानास्ते नैकेन बद्धं सितं विशेषकं पुस्तकं चापरेण भासा कुन्देन्दुशङ्खस्फटिकमन्निभा भासमाना समाना सा मे वाग्देवतेयमुनिवसतुवदने सर्वदा सुप्रसन्ना। कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरमारुह्य कविताशाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलम्। गोष्पदीकृतवारीशमश्कीकृतराक्षसं रामायण महामालारत्नं वन्दे अनिलात्मजमञ्जनानन्दनं वीरं जानकीशोकनाशनं कपीशमक्षहन्तारं वन्दे लङ्काभयङ्करम्। उल्लङ्घ्य सिन्धो सलिलं सलिलं यशोकवन्यं जनकात्मजाय आदाय तेनैव ददा लङ्कां नमामि तं प्राञ्जलिराञ्जनेयम्। आञ्जनेयमतिपाटलाननं काञ्चनाद्रिकमनीयं गिरिकं पारिजाततरुमूलवासिनं भावयामि भवमाननन्दनं यत्र यत्र रघुनाथकीर्तनं तत्र तत्र कृतमस्तकाञ्जलि। बाष्पवारि परिपूर्णलोचनं मारुतिं नमत राक्षसान्तकम्। मनोजवं मारुततुल्यवेगं जितेन्द्रियं बुद्धिमतां वरिष्ठं वातात्मजं वानरयूथं मुख्यं श्रीरामदूतं शिरसा नमामि। वेदवेद्ये परे पुंसिजाति दशरथात्मजे वेदप्राचेतसादासी साक्षात् रामायणात्मना। रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेदसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः। वैदेही सहितं सरद्रमतले हैमे महामण्डपे मध्ये पुष्पकमासने मणिमये वीरासने सुस्थितमग्रे वाचयति प्रपञ्चरसते तत्त्वमुनिभ्यः परं व्याख्यान्तं वरदादिविपरिवृतं रामं भजे श्यामलं। वामी भूमिसुता प्रश्चानुमान पश्चात् सुमित्रा सुता शत्रुघ्नो भरतश्च पार्श्वदलयोः वायुवादकोणेषु सुग्रीवश्च विभीषणश्च वरार्तारासतो जाम्बवान् मध्ये नीलसरोजकोमलरुचिं रामं भजे श्यामलम्। नमोऽस्तु रामाय लक्ष्मणाय देव्यै च तस्यै जनकात्मजायै। नमोऽस्तु रुद्रेन्द्रयमानलेभ्यो नमोऽस्तु चन्द्रार्कमरुद्गणेभ्यः। जानकीकान्तस्मरणम् आंजनेय स्वामी की जय। नमोस्तु रामाय लक्ष्मणाय देव्यै च तस्यै जनकात्मजायै। नमोस्तु रुद्रेन्द्रयमानिलेभ्यो नमोस्तु चन्द्रार्कमरुद्गणेभ्यः। सतेभ्यस्तु नमस्कृत्य सुग्रीवाय च मारुतिः दिशः सर्वा समालोक्य ह्यशोकवनिकां प्रति। Having offered a salutations to Devi, accompanied by Rama, Lakshmana, Rudra, Yama, Vayu, Agni, Chandra, Surya, etc. Hanuman looks around and finds a sacred grove that he has not seen so far. Why was he not able to see it so long? In one way, it was perhaps Ravana's own magical security, so that nobody, no outsider can easily see it. So he has kept it hidden away, and it was only due to Hanuman's ability to seek the divine grace that is able to reveal this hidden secret to him. And Sita herself was hiding within, and only when she is appealed to, she decides to open it up for Hanuman. साक्षात माया स्वरूपिणी அப்படிங்கிறதுனால, because she is the one that is capable of Tirodhanakari Ishwari, அப்படிங்கிறதுனால she is capable of veiling or hiding அப்படிங்கிறதுனால she is staying safe in Ashokavanam. Nobody can see her without her permission அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரியா வச்சுருக்காங்க. Although Hanuman has searched everywhere, he still somehow did not find this particular place until he offered salutations to Devi. Thereafter he is able to see it. Kalambarachayum, even as he is ready to get into it, Siddhim me samvidasyanti devaha sarishiganastuiha Brahma swayambhur bhagavan devaschaiva dishantu me Siddhim agnischa vayuscha puruhutascha vajrabhrit Varunah pashahastascha somadityav tataiva cha Ashvinau cha mahatmanau marutah Sharvayeva cha siddhim sarvani bhutani bhutanam chaivayah prabhuhu dasyanti mamaye chanye hyadrishtaha patigocharaha Abdine before going in he's ready to go in, but the last chance laya. Everywhere else he has searched. If he suddenly discovers a hidden garden, if he can find her here, then very good. But if not, then what? I'm in a desperate situation. Last call. Adanala, before getting in, once again he says, may all the rishis, Siddhim me samvidasyanti devas rishi ganastviha, let all the devas, let all the rishis, let Brahma, may Agni, may Vayu, may Indra, may Varuna, may Soma, the Chandra, may Aditya, Surya, Ashvinau, the Ashwini Kumaras, Marutaha, the Marudganas, Sharvaha, Shiva, may all of them, may all the other creatures that I have not included, may all the beings that are seen and unseen, may all of them bless me with success in this endeavor. Abdin he invokes everybody for success. பாரபட்சம் இல்லாம எல்லாரையும் கூப்பிடுறாரு. இவாவான்னு கிடையாது, எப்படியோ சரி. I do not mind. Somehow as long as I succeed in finding Devi, I do not care whose help I seek. அதனால பாரபட்சம் இல்லாம இந்திரன், வருணன், வாயு, அக்னி, யமன், சூரியன், சந்திரன், சிவன் அப்படின்னு he is calling out to everybody. He says, may all the gods bless me so that I find success in this endeavor. Tadunnasam Panduradantam Avranam Shujismitam Padmapalashalochanam Drakshetadarya Vadanam Kadanvaham Prasannatarādipatulya Darshanam. Tad Unnasam, with a high nose, Panduradantam, white teeth, Avranam, stainless, Sujismitam, with a beautiful smile, Padmapalashalochanam, eyes like the petals of a lotus, Prasannatarādipatulya Darshanam, Vadanam, a face that is rivaling the moon in its pleasantness, Tadarya Vadanam, that face of that noble lady, Kadadrakshe, oh, when am I going to see? When am I going to see this lady? When am I going to see this Devi? அப்படின்னு சொல்றேன். Drena papena Kshudrena papena nrisham sakarmana Sudarunalankrita veshadharina Valabhibhuta hyamala tapasvini Katam nu me drishtipatedya sa bhavet. Oh, how will I set my eyes upon that Tapasvini, Abala, that gentle, frail, austere Sita who has been abducted by that cruel Rakshasa. Abdine, he is praying to all the devas, to all the gods, to all the rishis so that Sita may come into his vision today. Abriya Bani, he jumps into Ashokavana. He enters into Ashokavana. The real compound wall madri irukku. There's a wall, a boundary wall. He sits on that. First, he jump on Prakar. He sits on that. And then he looks at Ashokavanam at a glance and he sees it is filled with various different kinds of trees, blossoming trees, shalas, Ashoka Vriksha, another Ashokavanam, many Ashoka trees are there. Champakam, Uddalakam, Naga, Amra, mango trees, the lamum. Looking at all of these trees, he says, oh good, it's a very beautiful place because it is the natural habitat for a monkey. Yeah, a forest filled with trees is the natural habitat for a monkey, so he easily blends in and goes in, jumping from tree to tree. But there are herds of domesticated deer everywhere, beautiful deer. The wonderful birds, peacocks, cuckoos are calling out. Numerous lovely birds are present there. Birds are all sleeping, and as he is jumping from tree to tree, he is waking those birds up. They are nesting in the trees, they are all waking up and making noise. Abdiya porar. Various different kinds of trees are there, real trees, artificial trees. Some trees are filled with gems. Fruits have been made out of gems and they are hanging there. And they are so realistic that cannot tell the difference between the real tree with the real fruits and the artificial tree with artificial fruits. Again, there are water ponds that have been created, artificial ponds have been created. The steps that are paved with gems, and the bed, the pond bed, water bed, and there is no soil there. The sand that is there present is made up of crushed pearls, corals, etc. Ravana has created this for a special space, his entertainment place, where he will come to relax. He has spared no expense. Even the ponds are created with gemstones around it, and pearl and coral have been crushed to make the soil for this. Beautiful beds of lotuses are there in bloom, several aquatic birds are there. At a distance there is a mountain. A stream is descending from that mountain and flowing through this little Ashokavanam. As he's looking at everywhere, he finds Uru. Lata Pradhanir Bahubir Parnaischa Bahubir Vratam Kanchanim Simshupa Mekam Dadarsha Hariyutapaha. He saw a tree. This tree is called Simshupa Vriksha. The name of this tree in Sanskrit is Simshupa. English I know that I do not know what is the botanical equivalent of it in English. Simshupa Vriksha. Kanchanim, golden color. And Simshupa Vriksha, he looks at it and he says, aha, this is the best place for me to stay. He gets onto that Simshupa Vriksha. He climbs onto the Simshupa Vriksha. Sa pushpita agnaruchiram tarunankuravallavam tam aruhya mahabahu simshupam parnasamvrata. He climbs onto the Simshupa tree and hides himself amidst the thick foliage of the tree and says from here, Ito drakshami vaidehi Ramadarshanalalasam Itaschetascha dukkartam Sampadantim yadrichaya. Children, Idrichaya na, Ramayana mulka idrichaya na. Yena life mulka idrichaya na. Everything has to happen idrichaya. Ilaya Bhautame, Manthara climbing up idrichaya, Shurpanaga coming idrichaya. Inga Hanuman says, I shall climb onto this tree. He climbs onto this tree and then he says, Ito drakshami. Ingiranda Bhakaren, from here I will see. Yenadana, Vaidehi Rama Darshana Lalasam. Vaidehi, Sita, who is anxiously waiting to see Rama, as she is wandering about here and there, Itaschetascha Dukkartam, with an unbearable grief, unendurable grief, she will be walking about here and there. I shall perhaps by chance, Yadrichaya, I will see her. If I wait upon this tree, there is a high possibility I will see her. In the Simshupa Vriksham, once Mahabharata, Kanchi Mahabharata asked a group of scholars were there, and he asked them, in the Ramayana and Sundarakandam it is said that Hanuman climbed up onto the Simshupa Vriksham. And the same Sundarakandam also describes that there were so many different kinds of trees that were there. Champaka tree, Ashoka tree, Bakula tree, Shala Vriksham, so many trees. Shimshapa was one of the trees amongst the many various species of trees that were present in Ashokavanam. Why did Hanuman choose only Shimshapa Vriksham? Why did Hanuman choose Shimshapa? Mahaprabhu was very fond of asking these riddles. Most of these riddles nobody will know the answer. Then he will himself supply the answer. And he would sort of get them to think. Then he would ask them questions. When he asked this question, nobody was able to come up with a good answer. In English, please, you must tell us something. He said, simple, the tawny skin of the monkey, the fur of the monkey, is the same color as the Simshapa Vriksha leaves. Kanchaneem Simshapam Chanolya. The monkey color is tawny, the tawny color or gold mixed color. The leaves of Simshapa and the fur of the monkey are a perfect camouflage. It can go and hide itself perfectly and it will not be seen. Any other thing it might stand out. Amongst the other leaves it will stand out. But when it hides in the Simshapa tree, it will not stand out. Hanuman chooses Simshapa Vriksham. Then he climbs onto the Simshapa Vriksham and he starts looking here and there. A beautiful lotus pond is there just below this tree. Upon shoulder, surely, Imam sa Rama Mahishi Nunaveshyati Janaki. I'm sure Janaki, Rama Mahishi, Rama's wife, will certainly come here to this beautiful pond. Yenna. Sa Rama Mahishi Ragavasya Priyasati Vanasanchara Kushala Nunaveshyati Janaki. Rama has told me how Sita loved to wander about in the forest. She was so fond of nature. They had kept her in Ayodhya in the palace, but really what she loved was nature only. That is why later on also Rama sent her to the forest. Forest again, forest. And the forest is something that she delighted in, sported in. She loved nature. She loved to be part of that nature. And now she will certainly wander about here and there, looking at all these trees, looking at all these flowers. Brooding over Rama, Athava Mrigashabhakshi Vanasyasya Vichakshana Vanaveshyati Saryega Rama Chinta Anukarshita. Why will she come? Not to enjoy the sights of the forest. When she walks through the forest, she will remember the time that she spent with Rama. Walking between the trees will remind her, make her feel as though she is once again with Rama. She will come. Hanuman is making some assumptions, deductions here. Rama Shoka Visantapta Sa Devi Vamalochana Vanavase Rata Nityam Yeshyati Vanacharini. Tormented by grief over separation from Rama, she will definitely come to this place because she will remember being with him. She likes to wander about in the forest. Vanavase Ratha. She likes to live in the forest. Vane Charanam Satatam Nuno Spryhyate Pura Ramasya Daita Bharya Janakasya Suta Sati Sandhya Kalamana Shyama Druvameshyati Janaki Nadim Chemam Shubhajalam Sandhyarte Varavarnini. Sandhya Kalam early morning time, it was a night time. When the morning comes, Sandhya Kalam, and it comes. Apo, she will definitely come to the river, to this beautiful place, so that she can perform her ablutions and offer her worship. Adhikagavavdi, she will come. Even if for nothing else, at least to follow her dharma, she will come here. Adhinale, this is the best place for me to wait. If she is still surviving, then she will come here. While waiting for her to come, he doesn't simply sit there and go to sleep. He watches, he looks around to see if I can spot her. Climbing on to the tallest boughs of that tree, he scans that whole place, looks around here and there. So Vikshamanas Tatrastau Margamanas Maitilim Avikshamanas Mahim Sarvam Tam Anvaivakshat. So Vikshamanaha, he looks out everywhere. Mrigamanaha, searching for her. Avekshamaanaha, looking all around. Anvavaikshat, surveying everything. The வார்த்தை எத்தனை தடவை சொல்றார் பாருங்க வால்மீகி. அதே எல்லாம் ஒரே மீனிங் தான். All these words are the same meaning. Vikshamana, Margamana, Avekshamana, Anvavaikshat. நாலு வேர்ட்ஸ் என்ன சர்ச் அப்ப எல்லா பக்கமும் சர்ச் பண்றாங்க. நார்த் ஈஸ்ட் வெஸ்ட் சவுத் எல்லா இடத்துலயும் சர்ச் பண்ணும்போது அவன் சொல்றான். Constantly searching, looking out for Sita. Where is she பார்க்கறாரு. looking, he looks through the beauty of Ashokavanam. அப்படி பார்க்கும்போது ஒரு இடத்துல நந்தனம் விவிதோத்யானம் சித்திரம் சைத்திரரதம் யதா அப்படிங்கிற. How is this அப்படின்னா Indra has a garden is called Nandanavanam. Indra's garden is called Nandanavanam. Kubera's garden is called Chaitraratham. அப்போ Ashokavanam is rivaling Nandana and Chaitraratha. Equal to Indra's garden, equal to Kubera's garden, அதை விட பெட்டராகவே இருக்கும். In fact, better than all of those, this garden is. அது அப்படி as he is looking, அப்போ அங்க பார்த்தால் ஷைலேந்திரமிவ கண்டாட்யம் த்விதீயம் கந்தமாதனம் அசோகவனிகாயாந்து தஸ்யாம் வானரபுங்கவஹ சதர்ஷ விதூரஸ்தம் சைத்ய பிராசாதமுச்ரிதம் மத்யே ஸ்தம்ப சஹஸ்ரேண ஸ்திதம் கைலாச பாண்டுரம் பிரவாளகிருத சோபானம் தப்தகாஞ்சன வேதிகம் முஷ்ணந்தமிவதம் சக்ஷும்ஷி தியோதமானமிவ ஸ்ரியா விமலம் பிராம்சுபாவத்வாத் உல்லிகந்தமிவாம்பரம். அங்க as he is sitting on that Shimshipa Vriksham and he is looking, he is able to see at a distance Shailendramiva Gandhadyam, like a huge mountain. Dvitiyam Gandhamadanam, like another Gandhamadana mountain. Ashokavanikayam tu, inside the Ashokavanika, Ashokavatika. Avidurastam, not very far from where he was sitting. Matye Stamba Sagasrena, with 1,000 pillars. Sitam Kailasa Panduram, as white as Kailasa. Pravala Krita Sopanam, with steps made of coral. Tapta Kanchana Vedikam, a platform made of gold. Mushnantamiva Chakshumshi, as though stealing away the radiance of the eye with the brightness Dyotamanamiva Shriya, with its own radiance, capturing the eye. Vimalam, very pure. Pramshubhavatvat, with the radiance that was emanating from it. Ullikantamivambaram, reaching out as though to the very skies themselves. Sadadarsha vidurastam chaitya prasadamuchritam, he saw not far from there a beautiful temple, oru mandapam, chaitya prasadam, like a mandapam, pure white. It is made up of a mandapa. Mandapam na enna solradhu, oru gazebo, a gazebo with many pillars, 1,000 pillars on. Pure white marble, probably made of marble or something. The steps are paved with coral. The platform is made with gold, Taptakanchana Vedikam. And it's dazzling in its whiteness amidst all of the beauty, natural beauty of Ashokavanikam. This white temple is like another Kailasa in its whiteness, like Gandhamadana in its size, in its attractiveness. And the temple, he is able to suddenly see the temple. அப்படியே அங்க பார்க்கும்போது he says, what is this temple? Or what is this mandapam? அப்படின்னு when he tries to focus into it more clearly, பார்த்தா ததோ மலின சம்வீதம் ராட்சசீபிः சமாவ்ருதாம் உபவாச கிருஷாம் தீனாம் நிஸ்வசந்தீம் புனః புனः ददर्श शुक्ल पक्षादौ चंद्ररेखामिवामलाम. ततो அந்த இடத்துல ததா, that place, அப்போ then malina samvitam, clad in soiled clothes, rakshasi bisamavritam, surrounded by rakshasis, surrounded by the demonesses, Upavasa Krisham, emaciated through fasting. Deenam, pitiable. Nishvasantim punah punaha, sighing repeatedly. Dadarsha Sukla Pakshadau. Dadarsha, Hanuman saw a lady, a woman sitting there. How was she looking? Abdiyana. Shukla Pakshadau Chandrarekam Ivamalam. Shukla Paksham. Shukla Paksham na the bright fortnight, the waxing fortnight of the moon. Adau, adudaiya beginning. இப்போ இன்னைக்கு பௌர்ணமின்னு சொன்னோம் இல்லையா, இன்னைக்கு பௌர்ணமி இல்லையா, இன்னிலேருந்து கிருஷ்ணபக்ஷம் ஆரம்பிச்சுடும். அமாவாசை, when the new moon comes, from then on the waxing fortnight will start. அப்போ ஆதவ் அப்படின்னா in the beginning of that waxing fortnight, when the moon is fully been hidden and then starts to slowly grow bigger, and right at the beginning அது ஒரு சின்ன ஒரு faint light oda, we will be able to see the crescent. The full moon is bright and shining, and that crescent is of a weak light it will have. And the madri, with a very dim light madri, he is able to see a woman clad in soiled clothes, surrounded by all the Rakshasis. Body is frail and emaciated because of fasting, sighing repeatedly in great grief. Dim like the crescent moon, he is able to see a woman. Manda prakyayamanena rupena ruchira prabham pinaddam dhumajalena shikami vibhavaso. Manda prakyayamanena அப்படினா மந்தமா இருக்கான், அவன் பார்க்கிறதுக்கே very hazy she is. This woman is hazy. எப்படி ஹேசியா இருக்க முடியும் அப்படின்னா, how can she be hazy to look at அப்படின்னா, அப்படியே ஃப்ரெயிலா இருக்கிறதுக்கு சொல்றான். she is so frail that as though she will vanish, அந்த மாதிரி இருக்காளாம். ரூபேண ருச்சிர பிரபாம், ஆனா at the same time ரூபேண ருச்சிர பிரபாம், even though she is frail but she is shining with her own inner radiance. தூமஜாலேன ஷிகாமிவ விபாவசோகோ அப்படின்னா, லைக் எப்படி இருக்கு அது பார்க்கிறதுக்கு அப்படின்னா, how can she be dim and shining at the same time? Because she was looking dim and frail and pale but also shining at the same time. How is that possible? Valmiki தோன்றது. He says people may not understand, so let me give them a clean clear example so they will understand. It is like a flame surrounded by smoke. தூமஜாலேன ஷிகாமிவ விபாவசோகோ அப்படின்னா ஒரு flame, அந்த ஃப்ளேமை சுத்தி நிறைய ஸ்மோக் இருக்கு. அப்ப என்ன ஆகும், அந்த flame is shining because of its inner radiance, but because of all the smoke around it, it appears very dim and vague. இல்லையா? Like that Sita is appearing. பீதேனைகேன சம்வீதாம் க்ளிஷ்டேனோத்தமவாசசாம் சபங்காமணலங்காராம் விபத்மாம் இபபத்மினீம். பீதேனைகேன சம்வீதாம், she was wearing ஒரு yellow cloth around her body. Body கிளிஷ்டேன இருக்கு, body is worn out. ஆனா உத்தம வாசசா, but that cloth is a choicest of clothing, of raiment, extraordinary cloth. ஏன்னா யார் கொடுத்திருக்கா அப்படின்னா, அன்னைக்கு அனுசூயா கொடுத்தா இல்லையா, divine திவ்யாம்பரமா கொடுத்தா இல்லையா, she gave a divine clothes, divine sari she gave, she is wearing the divine sari. அதனால even though her whole body is soiled, the clothes are still nice. Her body is covered in dust. Sabangam analankara, half adorned இருக்கா, half the jewels are missing on her body. எப்படி இருக்கா பார்க்கிறதுக்குன்னா, விபத்மாம் இவ பத்மினீம், like a lotus pond that is devoid of lotuses. நம்ம பாத்துல ஒன்று இருக்கு. Somebody, in the beginning brought a nice lotus for our house. அது ஒரு பெரிய pot with water and there's a beautiful lotus was there. 2 lotuses were there. Then winter came. அது பார்த்தா there's nothing there. But they say it is not gone. It will come back again. அப்படின்னு சொல்லியிருக்கா. வெயிட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம். And summer comes, it will come back. It seems. We are waiting. ஆனா இருக்கு ஒன்று. எப்படி இருக்கு அப்படின்னா, when it was blossoming with the lotus, it looks so beautiful. But when the lotus is not there, how does it look now? அப்படிதான் சீதா இருந்தாலாம். That is how Sita was. Vipadmamiva padmini. Like a lotus pond without lotus. What kind of a lotus pond is it? வெறும் ஆல்கே தானே இருக்கும் அதுல. व्रीडितां दुःखसन्तप्तां परिम्लानां तपस्विनीं ग्रहेणाङ्गारकेणेव पीडितामिव रोहिणीं. व्रीडितां, very bashful. very modest. दुःखसन्तप्तां, tormented with dukkha agony. Parimlanam, அப்படியே withered. Tapaswini, she was as though she was performing the severest of austerities. Grahenangarakeneva piditamiva rohinim, like the Rohini star that was being tormented by the Graha, Mars. அப்படின்னு ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் கொடுக்குறார். ஏன்னா மார்ஸ் யார் இங்கே அப்படின்னா, Ravana is the Mars. She is like the Rohini star. The Rohini star is being tormented by the planet, reddish planet Mars. Ashrupurna mukim dinam krisham anashanena cha shokadhyana param dinam nityam dukkha parayanam. Ashrupurna mukim, faces all filled with tears. Dinam, dejected she is. Krisham, abdiye shrunken she is. Yena Anashanena, without eating anything, body has become shrunk. The body has become shrunken. Shokadhyana Param, she is meditating because of the great grief that is present in her. Shokam Anadhyana Param, deep in meditation, in sorrow. Nityam Dukkha Parayanam, constantly overwhelmed by grief. Priyo Janama Pashyantim Rakshasi Ganam, without able to see those who are near and dear to her, instead seeing only the Rakshasis around her. Priyam illabak. The dear are not near her. And those that are near are not dear. Those that are dear are not near, those that are near are not dear. Yena, all because of a deer. Yeah. The deer are near and dear have become all upside down. Priyam Janam Apashyantim, Priya Janam Apashyantim, she is not able to see her dear people, beloved people. Rama and Lakshmana are not there around her. Anna, who is she seeing now? Pashyantim Rakshasi Ganam, she is only seeing the hosts of Rakshasis around her. எப்படி இருக்குன்னா, ஸ்வகணேன மிருகீம் ஹீனாம் ஸ்வகணாபிவிருதாமிவ. இங்க ஒரு பியூட்டிஃபுல் பண்றார். இந்த பண்ணுலயே ஒரு பண் இருக்கு. ஸ்லோகம் அப்படிங்கிறதுக்கு தமிழ்ல பண் அப்படின்னு சொல்லலாம். பண் அப்படின்னா ஒரு போயட்ரின்னு அர்த்தம். இந்த பண்ல ஒரு பண் பண்ணியிருக்கார் வால்மீகி. என்னதுன்னு கேட்டா, ஏன்னா அவர் பண் பண்ணியிருக்காரோ இல்லையோ, அப்ப நம்மளும் பண்ணணும் இல்லையோ, அப்பதானே அதுக்கு சரிப்பட்டு ஈடு கட்டி கொடுக்க முடியும். ஸ்வகணேன மிருகீம் ஹீனாம் ஸ்வகணாபிவிருதாமிவ அப்படின்னா, ஸ்வகணம் அப்படின்னா இட்ஸ் ஓன் ஹர்ட். ஸ்வகணம் இட்ஸ் ஓன் ஹர்ட். Shvaganam, a group of dogs. Sva, Shva, there's a difference again. One வந்து Sva, இன்னொன்று வந்து Shva. The difference between Sva and Shva. Sva means self. Shva அப்படின்னா டாக்னு அர்த்தம். Shvaganam அப்படின்னா a group of dogs, a gang of dogs. Mrigim Heenam, how is Sita looking? Instead of being surrounded by her near and dear, she is surrounded by these Rakshasis. How does she look? Like a deer that has been separated from its herd, but instead is surrounded by hounds, by dogs. இதுவும் எதனால அப்படின்னா, மிருகீம் தான் அர்த்தம், டியர் அப்படின்னு அர்த்தம். மிருகீம் means a female deer. So how is Sita looking now? Like a female deer who does not have her near and dear near her, and all that happened because of a deer. எத்தனை பண்ணு வந்துருத்து பார்த்தேடா மாடா, அவர் 2 பண்ணு பண்ணார், நம்ம 2 பண்ணு பண்ணிட்டோம். ரொம்ப ஃபன்னா இருந்தது. அடுத்தது போவோம். நீலநாகாபயா வேண்யா ஜகனம் கதயைகயா நிரயா நிரதாபாயே வனராஜ்யாமஹீமிவ சுகார்காம் துக்கசந்தப்தாம் व्यसनानाम अकोविदाम. நீல நாகாபயா அப்படின்னா அப்படின்னா like a black serpent, like a long black serpent. Venya jaganam gata aikaya. She's got a braid of hair, pinnal பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கா. She has plaited her hair and made a braid. அது எப்படி இருக்கு அப்படின்னா from her head it goes and touches the hips. It's so long that it goes and touches the hips. And she has plaited it into one plate. Gata aikaya அப்படின்னு ஒரு single braid. நீலயா நீரதாபாயே வனராஜ்யா மஹீமிவ. Sukargham dukkha santaptam. Sukargham, she who deserved sukha, happiness. And how is she? Abdina dukkha santaptam, she is tormented instead by sorrow. Vyasananam akovidam, she who does not know what it means to suffer. She does not know what is suffering. But Sita is suffering now. Undeservedly she is suffering. அப்படின்னு இந்த சீதையை பார்க்கிற. தாம் சமீக்ஷ விசாலாக்ஷீம் அதிகம் மலினாம் கிருஷாம் தர்க்கயாமாச சீதேதி காரணைஹி உபபாதிபிஹி. On seeing this woman, சீதேதி தர்க்கயாமாச, this must be Sita அப்படின்னு Hanuman starts to deliberate. ஆனா now he does not want to make the same mistake like he has done already. ஒரு தடவை already when he saw Mandodari, he thought Siteti Tarkayamasa அப்படின்னு, he thought she was Sita. And he realized it was not Sita. அதனால here he does not want to jump to that conclusion. என்ன சொல்றாருன்னா Tarkayamasa Siteti. He starts to deliberate, this should be Sita. But before concluding it is Sita, Karanai Upapadibihi, he starts to furnish reasons for himself, justifying his conclusion that this is Sita. Sita இல்லை செக் பண்ணிடுவோம் அப்படின்னா. Check பண்ணுவோம் first எது அப்படின்னா. What is the first thing by which he can check அப்படின்னா? When 5 monkeys were seated on top of that mountain, Ravana was carrying Sita. இல்லையா? High up in the sky they were going, so the monkeys did not really have a clear picture of who she is, but she was immediately carried across. They were going very fast in the sky, அதனால it was not that they could have a clear picture of her. But nevertheless, they saw. Everything else was heard from Rama. ஆனா இவரே பார்த்த விஷயம் ஒன்று இருக்கு இல்லையா? He himself was seen. அதனால that is the first thing that he is going to rely upon. என்ன சொல்றாருன்னா கிரியமானா ததாதேன ரக்ஷசா காமரூபிணா யதா ரூபா ஹி திருஷ்டா வை ததா ரூபே அவங்கணா. சீதையை பார்த்து நினைக்கிறார் அன்னைக்கு that day the form that was being kidnapped by the demon seems to be like this form. It matches. என்னதுன்னா height, the look, ஒரு appearance தெரியும் இல்லையா? Face பார்க்கலனா கூட, even though the face has not been seen, the overall structure, overall form குண்டா அப்படி இல்லையா? ஒயாரமனட்டையா இல்லையே? அப்படிலாம் இல்லையே. She is suddenly அன்னைக்கு பார்த்தோம், we saw that day, but this is a tall lady, not her அப்படின்னு சொல்றதுக்கு இல்லையே. சிமிலரா இருக்கே, build, form, frame எல்லாம் சிமிலரா. It is all quite similar. It must be that woman whom we saw that day being carried away. Purnachandrananam Subrum Charuvrittapayodharam Kurvatim Prabhaya Devim Sarva Vitimiradishaha Tam Nilakeshim Bimboshtim Sumadyam Supratishtitam Sitam Padmavala Sakshim Manmatasya Ratim Yatham. இதெல்லாம் இனிமே ராமர் சொன்னதுலேருந்து கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். The rest of it is all from Rama's description. எப்படி இருக்கா? பூர்ணச்சந்திரானனாம். Her face is like the full moon. பூர்ணச்சந்திரானனாம் Subrum, very shapely eyebrows. Eyebrows are beautifully shaped. Charu Vrittapayodaram Kurvatim Prabhaya Devim Sarvam Vitimiradishaha. With her own radiance she is able to illuminate all the surrounding directions. Tam Nilakeshim Bimboshtim, dark tresses, dark black hair. Bimboshtim, red lips. Sumadyam, slender waist. Supratishthita, with pleasing, proportionate limbs. Sita, this must be Sita. Padma Palasakshi, with her lotus-like eyes. Manmathasya Rathimyata, like Rathi, the wife of Manmatha, she is appearing. This must be Sita. Next set of views. Ishtam Sarvasya Jagataha Purnachandra Prabhamiva Bhumau Sutanumasinam Niyatamiva Tapasi. Just as the radiance of the full moon is liked by everybody, everybody delights in the radiance of the full moon, like that this lady was liked by everybody in the world. She is now seated on the floor like an ascetic, like a tapasvi. பார்க்க எப்படி இருக்கான்னா நிஷ்வாச பகுலாம் பீரும் புஜகேந்திர வதூமிவ. She was hissing and sighing like the wife of a serpent. Shokajalena mahata vitatena narajati. And she is caught in a cobweb of grief and therefore looking extremely gloomy. Otherwise, if she smiles, she should be illuminating the entire place with her beauty and her radiance. Samsaktam dhumajalena. அப்படியே metaphors galore in மேல இருந்து. Sita's description is given how Sita is appearing to Hanuman. அப்படியே ஒரு the poetic brilliance of Valmiki can be seen in this. The metaphors are plenty. Samsaktam dhumajalena shikamiva vibhavasoho tam smritimiva sandigdha. Riddhimiva riddhim nipatitamiva. Samsaktam dhumajalena shikamiva vibhavasoho. எப்படி இருக்கா பார்க்கிறதுக்கு அப்படின்னா, she like the flames of a fire that are obscured by smoke. She appears like smritimiva sandigdham, like a blurred memory, like a vague memory. ஒரு மெமரி இருக்கும் இல்லையா நமக்கு, சம்டைம்ஸ் ஏதோ இட்ஸ் தி டிப் ஆஃப் மை டங், ஐ ஜஸ்ட் டோன்ட் கெட் இட் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். சம்டைம்ஸ் அது ஞாபகம் இருக்கும், அது ஞாபகம் இருக்காது. ஐ ஃபேர்லி ரிமெம்பர் பட் ஐ ஜஸ்ட் கான்ட் புட் மை ஃபிங்கர். ஒரு ரொம்ப டார்ச்சரஸ் திங் இல்லையா மோஸ்ட் பீப்புளுக்கு. அது ஒன்ஸ் தே கெட் இன்டு தட் தே ஆர் டார்ச்சர்ட் பை தி என்னவோ அது கண்டுபிடிக்கிற வரைக்கும் முடியாதுமா. ஸ்மிருதிமிவ சந்திக்தாம் அப்படின்னா லைக் a blurred vague memory. Riddhim nipatitamiva nipatitamiva, like a fortune that has fallen but that has been thrown away, like a treasure that has been thrown away, like a memory that is been forgotten or blurred, like flames that are obscured by smoke. Vihatamiva cha shraddham asham pratikhatamiva sopasargam yata siddhim buddhim sa kalushamiva. Vihitamiva shraddham, like faith shattered. Asham pratikhatamiva, like hope frustrated. Sopasargam yata siddhim, like desires that are blocked by obstructions and obstacles. Siddhim buddhim sa kalushamiva, like success spoiled. Like abhutena pavadena kirtim nipapatitamiva. Ramo paro davyatitam raksho haranagarshidam. லிஸ்ட் கொடுக்குறாரு, அழகா இருக்குது. Like faith shattered, like hope frustrated, like desires thwarted, like success vitiated, like fame marred, like the intellect blurred. இப்படி இருக்கான். Faith shattered, விசுவாசம் இருந்துட்டு அது போயிடுச்சுன்னா எப்படி இருக்கும் அப்படின்னா, you have believed in somebody, you have trusted somebody, you have put your entire faith in them and suddenly they betray you. அது எப்படி இருக்கும்? அப்போ that shock, that sorrow, that grief that comes to us, அந்த மாதிரி Sita is looking like an embodiment of that grief that comes when faith is shattered, like faith shattered. Asham pratikratamivan, after giving hopes, don't worry, it will definitely be done அப்படி சொல்லிட்டு சாரி அப்படின்னு சொன்னா எப்படி இருக்கும்? Hopes have been built up, confidence has been built up, last minute it is all pulled away, the rug is pulled from under our feet. எப்படி இருக்கும்னா ஆஷாம் பிரதிகதாமிவ சோபசர்காம் யதா சித்திம். சித்தி, success is at hand, தோ கிடைச்சிடும் அப்படின்னு we are so sure, guaranteed you will succeed, and at last minute something happens and our success goes away. Unanticipatedly, unexpectedly something comes and our success goes away. அப்ப எப்படி இருக்கும்? How will that be? புத்திம் சகலுஷாமிவ, or like புத்தி, intellect being spoiled. நல்ல கெட்டிக்காரன் தான், very intelligent fellow, very clever fellow, ஆனா suddenly because of some terrible untoward incident his mind becomes all goes in the wrong way. அது எப்படி இருக்கும்? Everybody has placed their expectations upon him. This fellow is very, very smart. He will become intelligent, he will become a great fellow. Suddenly he turns to crime. Buddhim kalushamiva abhutena apavadena kirtim. Kirti, fame. Spotless fame somebody has been enjoying. And suddenly somebody starts a terrible scandalous rumor about them. Upon the fame immediately gets spoiled. It gets disturbed. And the madri, like fame that has been disturbed or scandalized. Nipatitamiva, like it has been fallen down. And the madriya, pained by. Remember when Vishwamitra Maharshi comes to see Dasharatha, Dasharatha gives certain metaphors. You have come Yatamritasya sampraptam Varsham anudake Yata Varsham anudake Abhinanda Shlokam. Just as a dying man has been given a sip of amritam, just as a land that has been parched without any rain suddenly gets rain, just as a thing that has been lost comes back to us, just as a long awaited festival finally is being able to be celebrated, like that your arrival is to me. The complete opposite of all of that. The complete opposite of all of that, when some Vihitamivacha Shraddha. Shraddha, enna faith irundhudna. As long as I am with Rama, I am safe. Abhinga Shraddha irundhudillaya, adu Shraddha poiduthe ipo. As long as I am with Rama, I came to the forest in the full faith that I will be safe. Even though I was told by Rama, forest is dangerous na kuda, I said, when you are there, what is there for me? When I am by your side, what is there for me? Abdin nane nanachindu vandhen, adu poiduthe kadashila, abdin nanikiral. Vihita vivacha Shraddha. Asham Pratigatamiva, like that hope of enjoying this time and going back with him has been frustrated. Sobasargam Yata Siddhim Achi Mudinjuduttu. The entire 14 years have almost come to a close. Apadan Choldra, we will capture this deer so that it's almost time to go back. We will take this deer as a souvenir. And I Kalambira Vandidani anime, we have to start walking back. Abdingra Alavukir Taitala, suddenly this untoward incident has happened. The success which was so close has been taken away from so far. Buddhim sa kalushamiva. The intellect blood. Rama, I do not want anything other than Rama. I do not want anything other than Rama. I will leave the kingdom, I will leave the palace, I will leave all the pleasures of it and I will follow Rama. Buddhim sa kalushamiva. Suddenly something happened to her buddhi and she said, I want the deer. Buddhim sakalushamiva abhutena apavadena kirtim. Kirti, but a kirti avalukku stainless kirti she has got. Now what is going to happen as a result of this vanavasam? Even though now it is finished, even though it is all going to become all right, even later after the war, when she is going to be brought in Rama's presence, Rama is going to accost her with words that are going to shatter her pride. Apavadam vanduruthuliya. Apavadam அப்படினா ஒரு blame. Aninditam அப்படினு சொல்லுவார் Hanuman. Whenever he talks about Sita, he will say Aninditam, the blameless one அப்படினு. ஆனா apavadam has come upon the blameless one also, இல்லையா? அதனால இங்க abhutena apavadena kirtim. இதெல்லாம் சும்மா metaphors இல்ல. They are all not just metaphors that have been thrown out there because they all look nice. ரொம்ப அழகா சொல்றதுக்கு நல்லா இருக்கு. Faith shattered, hope frustrated, desires thwarted, success blocked, fame marred, intellect blurred. And it is not just because of that. Each of those things actually bear a relevance to the entire story as it has happened so far. She is sitting there like that. Abalam Mrigashavakshim Vikshamanam Tatastataha Bashpam Paripurnena Krishna Vakrakshi Pakshmana. Vadanena Prasannena Nishvasantim Punah Punaha. Mrigashavakshim Abhina. Mrigashabana fawn. Deer's eyes are themselves nice. All the fawn chinna deer. any little creature, the beautiful thing about any little creature is the eyes. Whether it is a kitten, whether it is a puppy, whether it is a calf, எதுவுமே அந்த குழந்தைக்கு கண்ணில் ஒரு இன்னசென்ஸ் இருக்கும். பார்த்துருக்கேடா? ஈவன் ஹியூமன் சில்ட்ரன் ஆல்சோ. why do we like children அப்படின்னா there is innocence in the face of the child. எல்லாருக்கும் இருக்கும். அந்த குழந்தையில கழுத கூட அழகா இருக்கும்னு சொல்லுவா. குழந்தையில கழுத கூட அழகா இருக்கும்னு சொல்லுவா. even a donkey looks nice when it is a baby. any baby for that matter. எடுத்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா any creature, any mammal you take, the baby of it you take. மிச்சத்துக்கெல்லாம் சொல்லலை, டாட்போல்லாம் நான் சொல்லலை, மேமல்ஸ்க்கு தான் சொல்கிறேன். விட்ஸ் அ லயன் கப்போ, ஒரு டைகர் கப்போ, இல்லை ஒரு பப்பியோ, ஆர் அ கிட்டன், ஆர் அ ஹியூமன் சைல்டு, எனி கைண்ட் ஆஃப் ஒரு பேபி மங்கி, உடனே நமக்கு ஒரு ஆசை வரும். we will find it so cute, we will find it so adorable. ஏன் அப்படின்னா there is innocence in its face. The eyes especially are so innocent. இப்போ பெருசா போக நமக்கே தெரியும் அது எங்கேயோ போயிடும், innocence lost அப்படின்னு. அது எப்படி போகும்னே தெரியாது, நமக்கே தெரியாது. how is it lost, we ourselves don't know. ஆனா அந்த childlike innocence னு சொல்லுவா இல்லையா, அந்த face of a child shows innocence in it. and the round eyes, wide big eyes, நமக்கு பெருசா போக eyes become small. ஏன்னா அப்படி பார்க்குறோம், நம்ம எல்லாம் தப்பு கண்டுபிடிக்கிறோம். we are looking at all the doshas in everybody, the faults in everybody, criticizing everybody, இதெல்லாம் பண்றோம். அதனால என்னாச்சு, கண்ணு இப்படி ஸ்குவிண்ட் ஆயிட்டே போடுவாங்க. now our eyes become small, our face becomes more முத்தி போயிடும். the குழந்தைக்கு ஆனால் the small child has got ஒரு air of such refreshing touching innocence in it. இப்போ மிருகஷாபாக்ஷி எப்படி இருக்கான்னா சீதா அப்படியே தான் இருக்காளா, இன்னும் சீதா அப்படியே தான் இருக்கா. சீதா has gone through puberty, everything, ஆனால் she is still looking like a little, like the how are her eyes அப்படின்னா மிருகஷாபாக்ஷி, like a fawn's eyes her eyes are. இந்த கண்ணை மாத்திரம் வர்ணனை பண்ணிட்டே இருக்க போறார். we are going to find Hanuman constantly focusing upon Sita's eyes. Asitekshanam, Visalakshim, Padma Palashiniim, Mrigashabakshim. அப்படின்ற அக்ஷி ஐஸை மட்டும் சொல்லிட்டே இருக்க போறார் பாருங்க. Abalam Mrigashabakshim Ikshamanam Tatastataha. With her beautiful eyes, she is looking about here and there. Bashpam Bubaripurnena. Anna, the eyes are filled with tears, with sorrowful tears. But she is looking about here and there, sighing constantly. Covered with dirt and mud, shorn of all adornments, even though she deserved to be adorned by all of them. Malabankadaram Dinam Mandanargham Amanditam. Even though she ought to be decorated beautifully, she was without any of those decorations. Prabham Nakshatra Rajasya Kalame Gairivavrita. Like the king of all the stars, Yarina Moon, the king of all the stars. Like the king of all the stars being covered by dark clouds, like that she is appearing. எப்படி இருக்க, அப்படி பார்த்துட்டே இருக்க. தஸ்ய சந்திதிஹே பகுபி புத்திஹி முஹுசீதாம் நிரீக்ஷ்யது ஆம்னாயானாம் அயோகேன வித்யாம் பிரஷிதிலாமிவ. ஆம்னாயானாம் அயோகேன அப்படின்னா like knowledge that has not been practiced for a long time. Now going to tell you, we may have learned something and for a long time we have not refreshed our memories upon it, we have not practiced it. Or shlokame irundhomanal we may have learned the shlokam, anna and the title would have been able to, with closed eyes, would have narrated it at top speed. And after some time we stopped chanting it. Then suddenly one day when we are trying to chant it, we will stumble, we will stagger. Yeah? Like that, we have to, with efforts, it will come. கொஞ்சம் அந்த எஃபர்ட் எடுத்தோமானால் திரும்பி வந்துடும். அது கொஞ்சம் எஃபர்ட் எடுத்தோமானால் then we will be able to remember it again. அந்த மாதிரி ஹனுமான் looking at Sita, trying to make sure she is that. அதுக்கு ஒரு recollection மாதிரி போறது. அதை இங்க சொல்றார், ஆம்னாயானாம் அயோகேன வித்யாம் பிரஷிதிலாமிவ. Like knowledge that has been forgotten, or like the great knowledge of a Shastra that has been forgotten because of lapse of time and lack of practice. Like how we have got to repeatedly chant it once again within ourselves to get it back. Like that, he is looking again and again at Sita, considering all the various aspects to make sure this is she. இவதான் அவள் அப்படிங்கிறதுக்காக கண்டுபிடிக்கிறார். With great difficulty, Hanuman is trying to recognize Sita. दुःखेन बुबुधे सीतां हनुमानलङ्कृतां संस्कारेण यथा हीनां वाचमर्थान्तरं गताम्. संस्कारेण यथा हीनां वाचम अर्थांतरं गताम्. Just as an unclear expression has undergone a number of changes because of lack of usage over a long time, and is only understood because of previous practice, previous acquaintance with it. And the Madhuri, like that, Hanuman is also trying to discover Sita, make sure this is Sita, Sita who does not have any of the characteristics, the beauty or of the adornments and the beautiful clothes, etc. All that things that she should have, none of them are there in her. Yena, Rama described Sita. And when Rama described Sita, how did Rama see her last? And the basis தானே சொல்ல முடியும். காணாமல் போனவர்கள் பற்றி அறிவிப்பு அப்படின்னு வருமே நமக்கு. டிவியில் அனௌன்ஸ் பண்ணுவான் அந்த காலத்துலலாம். In those days, in TV they used to announce காணாமல் போனவர்கள் பற்றி அறிவிப்பு, announcement about those who have gone missing. அவர் ஒரு photo காம்பா. They will show a photo. The photo will be taken on some day, yeah. But they will say on the day he went missing, he was wearing a blue color shirt, he was wearing a green color pant. எதே சொல்லுவான். இல்லையா? அந்த மாதிரி சொல்லணும். ஏன்னா they will show a photo, but the photo was taken யார் கண்டா எப்போவோ. But on the day they went missing, there was a description. அந்த மாதிரி சொல்லுவான். அப்போ Rama is given a description of Sita on the day she went missing. On the day she went missing, எப்படி இருந்தா? அவ்வளோ அழகா இருந்தா, அப்படி நன்னா தலைவாரிட்டு கம கம கமான அதில் பூவை வச்சுங்க, கையில் வளையல் என்ன, காதுல குண்டலங்கள் என்ன, மூக்குல மூக்குத்தி என்ன, கழுத்துல ஹாரபதக்கங்கள் என்ன, அந்த காலில் கொலுசி என்ன அப்படின்னு ஒன்னொன்னா வர்ணனை பண்ணிட்டு வர. ராமர் சொல்றார் அழகா இருந்தது, she was wearing a neatly ironed saree. இது 10 மாசம் கழிச்சு என்ன அயன் இப்போ எப்படி இருக்கும்? How will the saree be after so many days? அதே சாரி தானே போட்டுட்டு இருக்கா அவ, காஷ்மீர் சுருங்கி இருக்கோ இல்லையோ அது. அப்போ none of the descriptions are tallying. Any description that Rama has given of her external appearance, none of those things are tallying. அவ சிரிச்சுன்னு இருப்பா, சப்பியா இருப்பா அப்படின்னா ஒலி ஒடிக்குச்சியா இருக்காங்க. When she smiles, there'll be a light here, a pink light will come from her cheekbones, from the cheek. அப்படி ஜம்முன்னு இருப்பா அப்படியே. இது இருக்கு. Externally nothing is up tallying. அதனால he is finding it very hard to figure out who this is அப்படின்னு சொல்றான். இங்க நிறுத்திக்கலாம். We will stop here for today and continue tomorrow. जानकी कांत स्मरणम जय जय राम राम आंजनेय स्वामी की जय. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनः भवन्तु लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनः भवन्तु लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनः भवन्तु शान्ति 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 हरि ओम. श्री साईश्वराय